Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Ibis Paint X and creating a canvas sized to your final output. Pick resolution around 300 dpi for prints or 72-150 dpi for screens. Once done, add layers in this order: background, sketch, linear, base color, and shading to keep edits non-destructive. Then choose brushes. Use a pencil for rough sketches, enable stabilizer for steady lines, and prep a soft airbrush for gradients. Make sure to name layers clearly so you can find them quickly as you progress. You now refine the sketch into clean linear. First, lower the sketch layer opacity to about 20–30% and make a new layer above it for lines. This keeps your guide visible without overpowering the strokes. Zoom in to 200% for precise control, enable a stabilizer setting that feels responsive, and vary pressure to create dynamic line weight. Once done, tidy edges with the eraser, adjust thickness where needed, and only merge the linear when you're satisfied so color work stays editable later. You fill base colors on layers beneath the linear, using bucket fill or a clipping mask for clean edges. This separation lets you recolor later. For shading, create a multiply layer above base colors and use a soft brush at 30–60% opacity, blending with the smudge or blur tool to achieve smooth transitions. Add highlights on a screen layer, apply subtle texture overlays, then export in PNG or JPEG at your target resolution. If colors bleed or layers misalign, check layer order, snapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.